Hi everyone, welcome back to another short tutorial. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can see the live subscriber count of any YouTube channel. So first thing, open the Brave browser and type livecounts.io, hit enter. From here, select YouTube live subscriber counter. Then here, search the channel you want to see the live subscriber count. I will select Ducky Bhai. Select the channel and here you go. Here you will see the live subscriber count of any YouTube channel. If you want to change the user, you can search for Mr. Beast and select the channel. And here you go. So if you open the livecount.io in any other browser, like I open in the Chrome as well, here you will see a lot of ads. So to avoid the ads, I suggest you to use in Brave browser if you are going to make a time lapse or something like that for the live subscriber count. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.